Good morning, students. Class 4. Today we will revise our topic preposition. Firstly, what do you mean by preposition? We use preposition to show the relationship. To show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word of a sentence. मीन्स प्रीपोजिशन जो है वो नाउन और प्रोनाउन का मीन्स जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है उसका जो है अनदर वर्ड के साथ जो सेंटेंस में और जो वर्ड्स होते हैं उनके साथ उनका क्या रिलेशन है ये हमें शो करती है. नेक्स्ट मेन थिंग इज प्रेपोजिशन कैन बी कॉल्ड प्लेस वर्ड्स. हम इसको प्लेस वर्ड्स भी बोल सकते हैं बिकॉज they often tell us the position of the things. ये हमें प्राय क्या बताते हैं कि किसी भी थिंग की पोजीशन के बारे में बताते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द कैट इज ऑन द चेयर. द कैट इज ऑन द चेयर. वेयर इज कैट? ऑन द चेयर. तो जो कैट है इसका रिलेशन चेयर के साथ हमें बता रही है कि ऑन द चेयर चेयर के ऊपर है, बट साथ ही साथ हमें ये पोजीशन भी बता रही है कैट की कि कहाँ पे है. ऑन द चेयर चेयर के ऊपर. द गर्ल इज बिसाइड द चेयर. वेयर इज द गर्ल? बिसाइड द चेयर यानी चेयर के साइड में. द टॉय इज अंडर द चेयर. टॉय कहाँ पे है? अंडर द चेयर चेयर के नीचे. तो मीन्स मेन क्या है, ये हमें प्लेस भी बताती है, किसी भी थिंग्स की पोजीशन भी बताती है. सो वी कैन से इट प्लेसिंग वर्ड्स. ओके बेटा, नाउ वी विल डू बुक एक्सरसाइज. लुक एट द पिक्चर. राइट yes or no for each sentences. Firstly, we will read sentence and see the picture, match it. The girl is on the horse. The girl is on the horse. पिक्चर में जो है गर्ल कहाँ पे है? On the horse नहीं है, ये तो साइड में. So we write here no. The rooster is on the fence. The rooster is on the fence. जो rooster है वो कहाँ पे है? फेंस के ऊपर है. So we write here yes. The children are on the swing. The children are on the swing. Children जो है swing जो swing है झूला जो है उसके ऊपर झूल तो नहीं रहे, ना इसके ऊपर, ये तो साइड में. So we will write here no. The boy is on the cycle. On the bicycle. The boy is on the bicycle. Yes, he is on the bicycle. The children are in the house as it is raining. Yes, the children are in the house. We will write here yes. Now next, Pawan's uniform is in the cupboard. Yes, Pawan's uniform is in the cupboard. The rabbit has jumped into the basket. No, ये तो आउटसाइड की साइड, आउटसाइड से जंप किया इसने, तो ये अंदर नहीं गया. सो वी विल राइट हियर नो. द रैबिट हैज जंप्ड इनटू द बास्केट. नो. जैक इज स्टैंडिंग अंडर द ट्री. नो, जैक इज क्लाइंबिंग ऑन द ट्री. सो वी विल राइट हियर नो. जैक इज स्टैंडिंग अंडर द ट्री. नो. Now next exercise B. Circle the correct preposition. My mother was angry. Beside or with me because I was late. What will? Yes, tell the answer. Mother was angry dash me because I was late. Yes, with me. Angry, my mother was angry with me. Now second, Jessica jumped dash the water behind or into. Which one is the right option? Into. Jessica jumped into the water. The box is full. Dash toy I want to give away. With or of? We use here of. The box is full of toys I want to give away. We buy apples. We buy apples dash the shop at the corner. Our option is from beside. Yes, we buy apples from the shop. From is the right option. We buy apples from the shop at the corner. Now fifth is let us wait. Let us wait dash the sun to rise. After or for? Yes, for is the right option. Let us wait for the sun to rise. Sixth, the cat hide. The cat hide dash the table. Under or in? Which one is the right option? Yes, the cat hide under the table. Under the table. Now next is seventh. The ball was hit. The ball was hit dash a bat. Above or with? Above or with? Which one is the right option? With. The ball was hit with a bat. Now next is Adhan takes a lot of time. Adhan takes a lot of time dash his work. With या फिर by? Which one is the right option? With or by? Yes, with is the right option. Adhan takes a lot of time with his work. I didn't agree. I did not agree dash my sister. Our option is with or below. With or below. Yes. Which one is the right option? I didn't agree. Yes. With my sister. I didn't agree with my sister. Kamal went to school. Kamal went to school dash. Kamal went to school dash car. Yes, the right option is, our option is by or of. Yes, by is the right option. Kamal went to school by car. Shailesh is proud. Shailesh is proud dash his little brother. Our option is of or between. Proud. With proud we use of. Shailesh is proud of. Shailesh is proud of his little brother. Did they blame you? Did they blame you dash the mess? Did they blame you for the mess? Did they blame you for the mess? Okay, beta. Now next is underline the preposition. In these sentences, we have to underline how many prepositions are used in this sentence. So we will underline it. In first, Mr. Sukhram slipped and fell down. He is in hospital. He is in hospital. Yes, a preposition is in first, in. Yes, we will underline it in. Now in second, the jamuns fell from the tree into the river. Jamuns fell from the tree into the river. Here, how many prepositions are used? Underline it. Yes, in second. Tell the preposition. Yes, in second, from and into. From and into are preposition. In third, the mouse hide behind the drum. Here, behind is the preposition. Now, in fourth, the clock is above the shelf. The rug is below the shelf. Yes, above and below are the preposition. In fifth, you are traveling by train. Is Arun going with you? Is Arun going with you? Yes, by and with are preposition. In sixth, the butterfly hummed over the flower. Which one is the preposition? Over. In seventh, Tanya always shares her toys with her brother. Here, with is preposition. Parking is not allowed in this area. You can't park your car near the shop. Yes, in and near. In and near are the preposition. In ninth, the thief has a scar on his right cheek. On his right cheek. Yes, on is the preposition. My parents and I rested under a shady tree. Under a shady tree. Under क्या है? Preposition. Now D exercise. Fill in the blanks with preposition from the box. Yes, we can find out the right option from this box. First is the Hardy Boy series is. The Hardy Boy series is written by Franklin W. Dixon. The bird flew out. The bird flew out of the cage. Mummy baked a pineapple cake for my birthday. For my birthday. The ant crawled along the side of the table. Along the side of the table. Naughty monkey almost fell. Naughty monkey almost fell off the tree. Mr. Sood is going. Mr. Sood is going to the market. The bee is buzzing. The bee is buzzing above the flower. The dictionary is on the shelf. The baby is crawling to his mother. The children must come. The children must come with their parents. With their parents. Okay, beta. Thank you. Revise your book exercise with the help of this video. A, B, C and D. Okay, beta.